In today's video, I want to show you how you can get Tint app icons on your Mac. So pretty simple, open your system settings. You can click in left upper corner area on the Apple logo and open system settings. Now on the left, go to appearance, and here is the area icon and widget style. And here you have 4 options, and we want to set it to Tint option. So click it. Now wait until it's loaded, and as you can see, my app or dock icons are tint. If you want to change the color, down here is icon widget and folder color. Click this option and you can select from these colors. So for example, red, icons are tint red. Also you can choose your custom color. Click here. You can use color picker, and it's completely up to you. If you change your mind and you want to change it back, simply click on default option and it's back to default colors. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and see you next time.